Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to check in trip.com. Okay, so first take note that online check-in depends on the airline you book with through trip.com. So trip.com is a platform, but the airline is the one who issues the boarding pass. So just go to the official trip.com website through here, then log into your account and tap on my trips or my bookings. Okay, so here you can be able to see all of your bookings. So we have flights, hotels, and trains, and etc. Okay, so just go to your flights and you'll be able to see that right here. But since we don't have any booking, so we don't have one yet. So after that, you just have to choose the flight you want to check in, and then you will see the details like airline name, flight time, and the booking reference. So if check-in is available, tap check-in or online check-in, and you may be redirected to the airline's website or check-in page. So you just have to enter the booking reference number, the last name, the passenger details, then follow the airline instructions like seat selection or confirmation. So just get your boarding pass once the check-in is successful, and you can download your boarding pass, save it on your phone, or receive it via email depending on the airline. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.